All right, happy Saturday, guys. This is probably a video you guys have been waiting for quite some time, or actually I've been holding it off for quite some time. It's been a busy month. We've had some crazy weather here in Japan. We had a couple typhoons come by, and then the weather's just been on and off. But right now, you guys can see it's nice and sunny outside. So we are going to be recording the Hijet video that I owe you guys. There's been a couple changes to the truck since then. If you guys have been following the series for the Hijet, then you know, done a few small little minor upgrades to it. We'll head out to where we shot the S14 with Lim earlier when I arrived to the island. We will get to it. Oh, we need to get gas. So I am almost out of gas. We're on the road now. I'm probably just gonna like fast forward through driving on base just for safety and security. I got gas. And I love this truck because it's only like 10 bucks to get a full tank. And that will probably last me about a month or so, or even longer now that I have the motorcycle. We made it to the spot. I'm just gonna walk around a bit. It seems really windy, so we'll see how the audio is gonna be like, but we're on 32-bit float, so it shouldn't be too bad. It is actually really nice out. Yeah, that is super windy. The weather's actually really nice. But hopefully my camera equipment doesn't get blown over. I didn't bring any weights. Let's see, let's try to set up something. And then we can probably hopefully record this video so I can stop procrastinating about it. This is my 2012 Daihatsu Hijet mini truck, or Keitruck. A couple things that you guys can see now from maybe my Instagram or my social media posts is that I did change out the wheels. I have the OEM ones in here. These are 12-inch ones, and then I switched them out for 14-inch ones. When I bought this, it only had, I think, 5,000 or 10,000 miles. And I probably put maybe 2,000 or 3,000 miles on it so far. I've been daily driving this thing until I got the motorcycle, and then I got the motorcycle, and I've been driving that, switching between those two. And this is a truck that helped me bring that motorcycle to and from the basic riding course, into my classes, and been able to haul stuff. So, of course, when I bought the wheels, I've helped friends bring stuff to their dorms or their houses. I've been able to bring furniture. It's a super, super helpful utility truck, and I'm having so much fun with it. A couple things since I got it. It was missing the battery cover, so I bought the OEM one off of that. And I was thinking of painting it black and then just painting the battery cover and the battery box itself black. But that's a project for another day. And then in the previous video, you guys did see that I did do the back of the truck bed, the whole bed and the back of the cab and the cage in this Raptor paint. That was pretty fun. It already came with these, and I repainted, resprayed the side mirrors and the decals for it. But this is the S201P Daihatsu Hijet. And then a couple of things I did also do was LEDs all the way around. So everything that is incandescent or halogen is now LEDs, except for the main headlights. I'm still trying to debate if I want to get those on Amazon or just do it at a local shop. Not really a local shop, but buy the bulbs at like a local shop like MakeMan or a car store. But eventually I want to put these wheels, my OEM wheels, in storage so that I can take off this rubber mat and then just completely just showcase the truck bed, because I love that my first time painting a truck bed with like a Raptor liner was so much fun and so much like super successful. And then as for the interior, I did the leather seat covers. These are waterproof, easy to clean. They wipe off pretty clean. And then on the floor mats themselves, I switched out for like a hard plastic ones that have a really nice guard to it. So it's almost like a WeatherTech back in the States, but it's like some off-brand one that's like just super form fit to this model of the Hijet. And then the interior is really clean too, all the paint. There's a little bit of scuffs and scratches on the dash, but I'm not too worried about that. It does have upgraded speakers, but I want to switch them out for something a little bit more. The interior light is also LED. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it was like a really disgusting yellow. So switch that out to LEDs. And it is a 5-speed manual, which I wanted because I am so used to driving manual. So 5-speed manual. Originally when I bought it, it had a Japanese radio on it, but when I bought it, BC used cars were having a promotion that, oh, we'll switch it out for an American radio so you don't have to worry about that. So it has Bluetooth, navigation, things like that, hands-free, and everything hooks up through an app, and it's fully integrated into the car. So it'll tell me if filters need to be changed, it'll give me notification. It tracks it in my RPMs, because this one doesn't really have an RPM gauge, it just has your kilometers an hour and your fuel usage. Interior is super good. I don't know if I want to redo these, the door cards. Like I can take these off and then probably wrap them in something, in like a fabric, but I haven't decided yet. I don't want to put too much money into this car. It is a 2012, and I won't be able to bring it stateside. But if I do bring it stateside, I would have to classify it as a farm vehicle so that I don't have to register it for the streets, and that's one way to get around with it. Or later on, I could find a older model and have that sent over to the States, which would be pretty awesome. As long as the state doesn't have key cars or Keitrucks banned, then I can definitely do that. Other than that, everything else in here, I have just emergency stuff in my glove box, like torque sockets for torquing down my wheels if I have to. I have an air pump in here. I have my torque wrench in here. And then I have a couple of accessories and things. Yeah, this small little project has been so fun with the Hijet. I don't know what else I'm gonna do to it yet, but I really want to drive it around more on the island and show you guys that and vlog as much as I can. But this truck has been so useful and super helpful. I've been able to help friends move stuff. I've been able to, like, Japanese streets, if you guys haven't been to Japan, are super, super tiny. That's why there's so many cars that are super compact or just subcompact. And having this has been so awesome because I don't have to worry about some big sedan or some big van. I can just use this. It has a really tight turning radius too, so if I need to do U-turns on a tight street, I can just whip this thing around super easy. But small little overview of my Hijet for you guys. I know it's a little bit late, but it is something that I'm super happy about. Next car is going to be the R32 or an R34. What's taking so long on that is that I'm looking for one that's specific to 1994, if it's an R32, and has to be made in May, which pretty much is my birth year and my birth month. If it's an R34, I wouldn't mind a 1999 or a 2000 model, and would have to be made in the month of May, so that it's just more sentimental to me, and I would be able to be like, that's my forever dream car pretty much. So either the R32 will come first or the R34 will come first, whichever one I'm able to find. And yeah, I'm excited for that for you guys, so that I make a video on that. And then I'll probably come back here on another day to do the video for the motorcycle. And I put 7,000 miles on it already, which is pretty crazy. But yeah, I'm loving this truck. I'll do some more B-roll shots for you guys. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy it.